Hey everybody, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we're going to be doing a quick video walk-around tour of the 2023 Mercedes-Benz EQS 450 4MATIC SUV. This is an all-electric vehicle from Mercedes-Benz, and we're going to walk you through some of the features, and then if you're interested in learning more, you can always reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com. So first thing, I'm a big fan of these retractable door handles. They are proximity sensing, so if I had the key in my pocket, it would have opened up as I approached the vehicle. Key was left inside the vehicle, so I just gave a little push and was able to access. We've got a black exterior and a space gray interior. It's a very nice light gray, almost kind of beige, but just with a touch more gray to it. So showing you the sunroof, driver's seat, got heated and ventilated memory seats, as well as the premium Burmester sound system, upgraded speaker package. This is a brand new vehicle, so mileage is currently at 10. Barely had a test drive. Do have a push button ignition, and we've got a huge touchscreen display here. Currently showing navigation. Easy access your radio, backup camera, which has tons of options. You can see both sides, back, front, above. There's parking assist as well, which we'll cover in a different video. You've got your climate controls here built into the display as well. And then below your display, you've got your dynamic select switch, so you can select different sport modes, which will affect how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. You can easily access your parking cameras. You've got your EQ, which is everything related to charging, including popping open that electric charging socket flap if you need to do a little charge. And then we've also got our vehicle settings here as well. You also notice the ambient LED lighting throughout the vehicle. It's all fully customizable within the menu system. Alright, so that's the vehicle from the driver's seat. I'll show you the rear seats here next. Heated seats here in the back as well. Huge sunroof stretching from front to the rear. Another quick peek back up at the front of the vehicle. Come around to the back, we have our EQS 450, Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk. Lots of room here, then you can easily flip down these rear seats just with a push of a button. In case you need a little extra room. And then push button to close. So that is the 2023 Mercedes-Benz EQS 450 4MATIC SUV in black with a gray interior. If you're interested in learning more about this vehicle or even setting up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.